Hello everybody, this is another episode of Makelle Show, and I am so excited to do a hair salon with the Fuzzy Pet Salon, and because with 3 Play-Dohs, this is all the things that it comes with, as you can see. This is the back, kids playing with it, pushing it down, so I'm going to try to do that the best I can. So let's open it up. Hope everything doesn't fling at me. Oh, I opened it the wrong way, but we got Play-Doh. We have the orange shading thing where the thing's going. Whoa, that came out crazy. And this is, I think, goes with this thing that I'm going to show you. And some other pieces that goes with it. Okay, so this goes in here, so we'll do that in a minute. And last but not least, a scissor, 3 scissors for the Play-Doh to cut. And the dog and the cat. So this is a box. Let's take everything out of the thing, papers. Itching. A mirror, purple mirror, and a shade. Turquoise, peachish, and greenish. So if we got everything out, so let's put it in. Spin that. Let's put this right here. Oh, it needs to stay. Stay! There we go. Moves around. We have this, so I'm going to make the cat go first. It won't stay all the way in. Stay. There we go. Almost plugged it in. There. And the doggy's going to sit right here. Okay, we got this. Well, let's put I think you push down right here, or you push down with it. So I'm going to make green here for it. Oh, let's take the Play-Doh out before I even start adding anything. So, forgot about doing that. These caps are really hard to get off. Let's loosen it up. I don't want to fully destroy it. I gotta fully destroy it to pick it right out. Didn't fully destroy it, but I got a little destroyed. So that's that. That's green. This looks like it is peachish. Grayish peachish. Doesn't look like it is really. This is really difficult to get out. Like the caps. Oop. It's really difficult to get out. And then we got light blue. So I might start with light blue. Actually, no, I'm gonna do light blue. I got the light blue out finally. And this came out really perfect without destroying it. That came out. Whoop, that came out. So I'm gonna do green actually. No, I'm gonna do green. So what you do is roll it and go down. And then do. Oh, you probably don't do all the way. Well, where goes that Play-Doh? Here. Here, I think this is gonna be much, much better. For some reason it's not working. I do not know how to do this. Let's see if it's 3. Let me open this up. Yeah, it doesn't tell you how to do it. Doesn't look like they did the sitting. Gotta do more green. I just did it plain as this without no. I can't believe this looks better than. That's upward. That crazy green hair. Crazy green hair. So we're gonna keep on pushing it down and down. I hope it makes more. And then let's take it off. Ooh, that looked crazy. Oh, good. We got a lot more to put in. I might use all the green because I'm not gonna do green for my other dog. So I already know what I'm using for my dog. He'd go good with this color probably. So let's put this rest in here and push. Push. Gotta stand up. I don't really use this because it's way harder. I don't know what they use that. So this is my cat. Let me show you. This is my cat. And let me shave its hair back to normal. So shave. This is a really good shaver. They work it. So, wonder how they get this out. Push it. Shave all that green hair off. Look. It's acting like it's there on the side. And a straight. So we're gonna skip all that hair off. And it really wants its hair back to normal. So let me take it back to normal and go from there. So I hope this works. My fingers don't go all the way in. Oh, this is a mirror. That thing is really loud. So I shaved its hair and it wants it back to normal. So, whew, why are you turning around like that? And there's still a lot more Play-Doh in here. And it likes its hair like that. I like the hair. I like it. Bye. Let's get it shaved off. Thank you very much. I love it. Bye. Have a great day. Bye. Who's next? Me. So, what do you want your hair to be colored? Let's think of, my favorite color is light blue. So you want light blue? Yeah, sure. It doesn't get crazy like that other customer. You're like an extruder. Okay, we're gonna push down. Ooh, that came out like ice cream. Ooh. Push. Use muscles on this one. You're gonna use your muscles really good. I want to make your hair like this one, but not with green. Let's do this. So let's take all that out. Good. Push all the way down. And push. And keep on pushing until your hair is crazy. If you can feel it, it'll feel really good. I like it. Shave it back to bad. Hair salons for dogs does not do this, but today it's with Play-Doh. So. I really like this because I do want to be a vet when I grow up, so I really shoots me up. Let me see what these scissors do. Oh, but this shaver goes better. Like you're making a dinner salad. We are still doing the hair. I'm just gonna shave it off, and then I'm gonna do a little demonstration of something that you might really need. So let me scoop the hair off. Dang, that's a big bunch of hair that just flew off. Okay. One more big, giant smush, and it's all at the stairs. I got something that I can use to scoop everything out. This is my demonstration that I said. So this is really easy, so I'm going to take a little bit of green of the hair. It sticks, so if you couldn't see, let me take a pile. So if you could see, take this and then stick it. Stick. And then put it with your green pile. Green. So, that was all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my my channel. Bye.